Hello everyone! So it's me again, Ate King. So for today's video ay gagawa si Happy ng cheese stick. So unang ginawa niya is binit niya yung egg at saka sugar. So imikos-mekos lang guys. So after that, nilagay niya yung butter at saka yung vanilla. So it's his first time guys. So please don't bash us. So first time lang na ginawa to ni Happy. So syempre, gusto lang namin na ipakita sa inyo yung first time na ginawa niya. So, and then, nilagyan niya ng condensed milk at siniff niya yung flour. So, 2 cups of flour. Nilagyan din ni Habi ng salt at saka baking powder at minimekos-mekos na niya. So, nilagyan din ni Habi ng maraming cheese kasi we love cheese. Nilagyan din ni Habi ng butter yung tray. So, para hindi din masunog or dumikit yung cheese stick na ginawa niya. So, ilalagay na ni Habi yung minix niya kanina para i-bake ito later. For me lang, so it's not bad for a first timer. So, what I love about my husband is that he's willing to learn, diba, sa new things or sa pagbe-bake. So, gusto-gusto talaga niya yung pagbe-bake. So, next sa video ito ay nilagyan niya ng cheese on top. So, as of this moment, so grabe, napakabango na nito. So, yung mother ko po ay gustong-gusto na niyang matikman. So, tapos na yung cheese steak na ginawa ng husband ko. So, kinakat ko na ito para matikman na ng whole family ko.
No, unsa man pagkat eh. Ha? Uy. Wala pa kami.
So, that's it guys. So, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next vlog. Annyeong!